Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Instagram keep stopping problem. To know how to fix Instagram keep stopping problem, you should just go to settings as you see here. When you will see this list, you will go to apps. When you will find this page here in this list, you will go down to find the application of Instagram like this. Then here in this page you will go to first stop. When you will end, you will enter to storage. After that, in this page you will click clear cache. Then you can click clear data, and after that you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.